Amazon FBA has made selling online easier than ever. You just need to send your products in bulk to Amazon FBA, and then Amazon FBA team is going to take care of the rest. They are even going to take care of the customer service. Isn't it very easy? But here is the brutal truth. Amazon FBA comes with some hidden challenges as well, like very strict restock limits and penalties from both sides, like overstocking or understocking, and on top of everything, crazy high storage charges. Storage fee is even worse in Q4. It is a nightmare for any seller. And to deal with this situation, many Amazon sellers start using private warehouses. They get their products from supplier to their private warehouses, and then they send those products to FBA in small quantity. And this is exactly where AWD comes in play. Give me 5 minutes and I am going to make it crystal clear to you what is FBA and what is AWD and how these are different from each other. And more importantly, how you can use Amazon AWD for your business. And in case you are watching this video, it means you don't know much about AWD, and if you are not using AWD, you are already behind from many of those Amazon top sellers. Hi, my name is Zanu Patel and I am the founder of Ads Zenith. For those who don't know my story so far, I started back in 2019 in Amazon space as a freelancer. I helped many brands to launch and scale their products. In 2021, I landed to a job, became director of Amazon marketing over there, and then in January 2024, I started Ads Zenith with a goal to chase profit for my sellers than chasing sales blindly. Now let's understand how Amazon FBA and Amazon AWD works in real world. Let's start with Amazon FBA. So in Amazon FBA, you send your inventory in bulk to Amazon FBA warehouses, and every time a customer places an order, Amazon FBA team is going to pick a unit, a single piece from your inventory you send to Amazon FBA, pack it and going to send it to the customer. Amazon FBA team is going to take care of returns and customer service as well. Now let's talk about Amazon AWD. You can think of like an upstream bulk storage management system for Amazon sellers from Amazon. Think this way. You are not sending your bulk inventory directly to Amazon FBA from your supplier because of those inventory limits, crazy high storage fees, and those understock and overstock fees. Amazon AWD is going to save you from all of those. So now instead of your private warehouse, send your inventory to Amazon AWD instead of Amazon FBA, because there is no inventory limit, there are no understock or overstock fees, and the storage fee is very low compared to Amazon FBA. And every time your Amazon FBA inventory needs a replenishment, needs a top up, Amazon AWD is going to top up your Amazon inventory automatically whenever it is needed based on the sales velocity. Sometimes Amazon AWD can miscalculate because there maybe, let's assume there are some deals going on, there are some spike in sales because Amazon AWD is tracking last 30 days, last 90 days. You can keep an eye and you can create a manual replenishment also. Not only to Amazon FBA, you can send bulk orders to your direct suppliers and in your private warehouse or any places. Now I'm going to show you my screen to show you this Amazon AWD dashboard, and more importantly the fees different, how a lower Amazon AWD is in storage fee. Okay, to access Amazon AWD dashboard, you will simply go in inventory and then you will land here to warehousing and distribution AWD option here, and this is Amazon AWD dashboard. To send your inventory to Amazon AWD, you will simply hit on create shipment, and this works exactly same as you send inventory to Amazon FBA warehouses. By the way, in case you need a step-by-step breakdown, I have already created a video for you. I will put the link somewhere here, and here you can go and watch that video. Let me show you the fees which comes with Amazon AWD. So here's the Amazon AWD rate card. You see Amazon storage fee, which is 0.48 cubic foot per month, and this is 0.38 cubic cents per cubic foot per month, 20% off the base rate. This is Amazon managed price, and you can see all these pricing thing here in here, right? So when you choose a supply chain for Amazon managed service for your SKU, the Amazon managed rate may apply. So basically when you use Amazon partnered carrier, so not a big deal, very easy, and most probably you will go with Amazon partnered carrier because they are cheap. And then the next fee is Amazon AWD inventory fee. This is 1.35 USD per box. Keep in mind. Then AWD outbound processing fee, same 1.35 USD per box. Amazon AWD transportation fee, 1.15 cubic foot cubic per 1.15 USD per cubic foot. And you can see there is a discount in this transportation fee as well. Inbound and outbound processing fee are same, but you get a discount for others. These two fees you see are per box, so I often recommend my clients to optimize the content per box to save this fee when they are considering sending their inventory to AWD. You can put as many as you can in allowed limit units in one carton. So that's it. Start using Amazon AWD. This is really good. This is going to streamline your supply chain and going to save you a lot of time. That's it for today's video. Let's meet very soon with a new video with a new topic. Bye bye.